Yeah, what's up guys? Tony the AC guy here. Starting to rain. Trying to keep dry. Anyways, like I said, heating and air is nothing more than common sense. Looking at the heat exchanger, a lot of stink bugs in here. Heat exchanger, man. All these cracks and holes, yeah. It just happens over time. They just rot out. So that'll give you can potentially get carbon monoxide and exhaust gases inside the building. If the blower kicks on, hopefully it causes an effect called the you get backdraft. Basically, it rolls out the flame. It rolls out and hits the rollout switch, shutting it down off of on its safety. So therefore, it's good. That's what it's supposed to do. And then somebody has to come up and go, oh, what the hell? Why'd this trip out? And then they look at the heat exchanger and go, oh, got to replace it. So it'll cause your flames to roll out. I have seen it before where it'll come out. You'll reset it, and then the blower will kick on, and the flames blow. Whoof, they'll come out and knock you on your rear end. It's pretty funny, actually, when that happens, just as long as you don't burn off your eyebrows. So, which been there, done that. So. Yeah, trying out my little umbrella here. Sweet. Just trying to keep some paperwork dry. All right, guys. I got to get back at it before we get more of a downpour here. I don't know what's going on. Can never tell around here. Weather changes hour to hour. All right, have a good day.